Let us explore two Lewis electron dot symbols introduced by chemist G.N. Lewis. So what are Lewis symbols? Lewis symbols are the representation of an element by valence electron. There are two types of electron in an atom. We call the inner electrons core electron, and the electron present in the outer shell we call valence electron. So in Lewis symbols, we are representing an element just by putting dots that represent electron in the valence shell. And then what are Lewis dot structures? Lewis dot structures are the representation of a compound with valence electron. So why is it important? These structures helps to explain the properties of compound because a molecule is composed of atoms that are bound together by sharing pairs of electron using atomic orbital of the bonded atoms, right? So this is a model that attempt to explain the how the nature operates on the microscopic level based on the experiences in the macroscopic level. Let's see how to do or draw the Lewis symbols. So these are the steps we follow for the Lewis symbols. First, find the element on the periodic table. So you need a periodic table ready in front of you, and then determine the number of valence electron. So the number of valence electron, here I am going to give you the shortcut. Group 1, you will have one valence electron, mark it in your periodic table, and group 2, two valence electron, and we are skipping the transition metals here. It will have different valence electron for some of the elements. So we are concentrating on the main group, and group 13, 3 valence electron, group 14, 4 valence electron, group 15, 5, 16, 6, 17, 7, and group 18, 8 valence electron. Remember that and write down on top of your periodic table, on top of the group, okay? And then write the symbol of the element that represent the nucleus and the inner electron, which we call core electron as well. Okay, so you don't have to worry too much about it. You just write the symbol of that element and then represent the valence electron around the symbol as dots, as you can see in this table. This table shows the Lewis symbols for some of the elements. From group 1, you can see hydrogen, lithium, and sodium. That's all shown here. So one valence electron, I just put one dot. That is the Lewis dot symbol for the first group elements, hydrogen, lithium, and sodium. And how to represent the Lewis symbol for second group? Just put the symbol beryllium Be and the valence electron 2. So just put those two dots. And for magnesium, the same thing. So for all elements from group 2, you will put two dots. So that is the Lewis dot symbol. And then for group 13, 3, group 14, 4, group 15, 5, 16, 6 dots, and group 17, 7 dots, and group 18, 8 dots except helium. Helium will have only 2 valence electrons. So once you learn the electron configuration, it will be clear why only 2 for helium, why this valence electron counted like this. Okay, so from the electron configuration, you will have a better picture of why we are taking the valence electron like this for group 1, 1, group 2, 2. Okay, so that's a pattern we have now. So we are using that one as a shortcut to remember how many valence electron for each